Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin' with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this bag is from. Oops, get it to go through there. Alright. Well, it looks like we have a diamond painting and a cross stitch. And this is from PaintSomeWay. And we'll go with the diamond painting first. I do love these plastic bubble bags. Put around your diamond painting. They are so much easier than just the clear plastic. So I will save it and put that right up there. And I will put a picture of this diamond painting here. And that way you can see the whole picture if I can't get this in the screen. It says 45 by 85 diamond painting. And it is a round. It's, you know, fairly good canvas. It's not that flimsy canvas. Very well printed. It has 27 colors. There's a lot of background. But aren't those colors just absolutely beautiful? I'm going to see if this will turn out. There won't be so much glare. I'll just bring it down. They called this, oh gosh, what was it? It's not what it is. They called them morning glories, but they look like hibiscus. Great big hibiscus flowers. Lots of beautiful oranges and reds in this. I'm trying to get down here to the drills because they're like precariously here. Hang on. Now let me see if I can get it up higher, but I don't think so. Whoops. I'll get my hands out there. But yeah, lots of greens, reds, oranges. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. And it's very sticky. You got this edge here. It's kind of curled. This would probably have to be ironed. I think it's got a key at the bottom. And there is one on the top right-hand side. Kind of long and skinny. But it sure would be pretty when it's done. Just beautiful. And it looks like all letters for your symbols. So that makes that very easy. If you want a nice one to do in the winter when you want to see all those beautiful flowers. Just gorgeous. Now I won't be able to measure this. I don't think. Hang on. There was a car that went by. You know how that goes. Or car, I mean a person that went by. There are 2 boats, 2 pins, and 2 long pieces of wax, which is very nice. And here are the drills. They do have the DMC number on them. The 13 is the number for the symbol, you know, on your chart. And it does have the product number on it. I'm not sure what all that is. I don't think. 16, 17, 19, I don't know. 20. Huh, I don't get it. Because that doesn't match. This is your product number here. Just beautiful. Oranges and reds. I know, I'm talking. I'm crinkling at the same time. But it is a round drill. I'm trying to get to... Well, here we go. So let's go this way. I don't know, I think you can see them better with the light off. Kind of a brown, and then there's some black. 310 black, just one. And that looks like, oh, it's 421 red. 500, which, I don't know, it seems like a dark olive green, if you will. There you have an olive green here. This is 606, and we have 1, 2, 3 packs of that. Then you have 666 red, and you have kind of a shell pink, if you will. You got 2 of those. You got some bright orange, 740. 2 741s. You've got 2 packs of 742. Lots of drills in this. Yeah, I can hardly wait to get to the white. So that's that one batch. Hang on. I'm trying not to mess too much with it, so it won't crinkle so bad. This is 906. Isn't that a beautiful green? Then you got a lighter green. Kind of a reddish color. 946. Huh. Well, not nearly as many whites as I thought there would be. That's 3865. You've only got 2 fairly full bags here. Just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm trying to... Hang on. There'll be a hot moment. Let me lay them up there, because I'm not getting it back into that bag. But yeah, I just thought it was a beautiful picture. I guess there's not so much. This background is 2 symbols. So, that'll work. Just beautiful. I'll have to take it in on the bed and see if I can get most of these wrinkles out. Because on the back it's just kind of wrinkled lightly, but not too terribly bad. So I've had worse, believe me, and I've ironed it out. It works. But yeah, so very pretty. Very, very pretty. And that was $15.99. Let's look at the cross stitch. Isn't this gorgeous? It's got 2 deer. It's got a dog and a girl back there at the door. You've got a bunny rabbit, I think 2 bunny rabbits, a cat, another bunny rabbit, a squirrel or a chipmunk, a hedgehog, just a bunch of stuff. This was called Garden Cottage, but yeah, okay. And it is 60 by 50, and it was $10.99. So it's not too terrible, huge, ginormous. Let's see if I can get the bag open now. And then we'll take a look at the front of it. But I just thought it had some really beautiful, beautiful colors to it. You flip that over, and I'll try to hold it up as good as I can. But yeah, look at all the flowers and the colorful birds on the bird feeder. That little girl, she's wearing a green dress. You got a big, huge butterfly there, and some more butterflies down in here. We'll see how well all that translates. Now this is on a shiny paper. Whoops, I had it upside down. This would definitely have to be blown up. Shows the beautiful colors here. All your DMC number, your symbols, and then the number on the thread card. Just beautiful. Look at those purples and reds and yellows and orange and blue. Oh my. No, just kidding. But yeah. So, it's like 170 by, oh, okay, 172 or 3 by something. 215? I'm not sure. We'll find out here in a minute, but this will match your canvas. So, yeah, I just thought it was a beautiful picture. Now, whether that all translates at this small of a thing or not, we'll see. Let me shake out the colors. You can see that. They did write the product number here. Very pretty. Nice, bold colors. Looks like you've got some 823, no 310. Let's see. No 823, 50, 18. Oh, that's 939. I'm sorry. This one's 939. And that's it. No 3771 or no 3865. Just beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I'm kind of anxious to see the canvas. I don't know how much of this is going to look like pixelated blobs or just what. There are two, nope, I lied. There are 3 needles there. And it goes this way. Oh yeah, it's confetti hell. But like I said, I don't know how well it's going to translate. You know? Because it needs to be about 3 times this size. Actually. Oh, it's like, where did my thing go? Now this I can measure. It's 216 by 173. It is 60 that way. And I'm getting there. 47.5 that way. But yeah, it is confetti bound. Oh, I forgot to tell you the actual size. Sorry, my bad. Out of practice here. So it's 50, which is about 19 3/4. It's almost 20 by 15. It looked tiny bit over 15.5, which is a little bit over 39.5 centimeters. So, yeah. But the symbols are very easy to read. It has a nice big key. It does show the colors running down. And I like that the symbols are big enough to see. And they're nice and big. You know, it's an 11 count, so very easy to read symbols on the canvas. Very well printed. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. But yeah, it's going to be a hot, 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 hot moment. Yeah, where would just start with that puppy? But for $10.99, that's not too bad. But we'd have to see. You got a lot of greenery around there. So yeah, it'll be different. We'll see. Like I said, how well it translates. I don't know where I'd want to start. I'd have to study the picture and see if I could just do like one of the rabbits or the girls and the girl's face or the dog next to her or something. Just so I could see if it's going to be really pixelated or not pixelated exactly, just a blob. Because sometimes I don't get these things big enough to show all the details. So yeah, we'd have to see. But I thought it was pretty anyway. Just absolutely beautiful. Now, PaintSomeWay does do cross-stitch and diamond painting, as you just saw. They have, I was looking to see. I don't know if they have paint by number or not. And they usually have a Joy Sunday sales section. And they have their own separate Joy Sunday section. They do beaded cross-stitch, counted cross-stitch, and stamped cross-stitch. They have free shipping on orders over $49. Oh, they do have paint by number. So they have tools and crafts for cross-stitch and diamond painting. I'm not sure if they have tools and crafts for oil painting, but you can check that out. They also sell frames in their tool section for like hoops and frames. So do check them out. They always have great prices. And I ordered this, I wanted to tell you, on September 20th, and I got this yesterday. So, what is that, like 2 weeks-ish? So, it usually doesn't take very long, and when they're not having postal problems or a shutdown or this or that. I haven't heard of anything this month, on the shutdowns or anything like that, so all should be good. But they usually have really good shipping times. I mean, 2 weeks, that sometimes, it's more, sometimes it's a little bit less. But like I said, depending on what's going on. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these beautiful kits. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching and diamond painting.